everyone, and welcome back to another video today. And today we're going to learn about how to multiply 3-digit by 2-digit. So for example, I'll do 100 and let's do 767 times by, let's say, 23. So how we're going to times it is we do 7 3s are 21. We carry forward the 2 from 21, and we do 6 3s are 18, 19, 20. So always the 10th digit always gets carried forward. So we put it on top of 7. We go 7 3s are 21, 22, 23. It'll become 2,301. Then from there we cross out the carry forwards just so you don't get confused. Then you put a 0 or an X, and then you do 7 2s are 14. So we put it above the 6, and then we go 6 2s are 12, 13, and then we go 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. We add them up. We go 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 4 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, and then 2 plus 5 is 7, and then there'll be 1 because there's nothing there. So the answer of 767 times by 23 equals 17,641. So this is the answer for this sum. So I hope you guys find this helping, and comment down below what you would like me to teach you guys, and I will see you guys next time.